Want to make sense of data and turn insights into action? Let's explore how the GoLogica Data Analyst Master's Program can transform your career. In today's digital age, data is the backbone of every industry. Companies rely on skilled data analysts to uncover trends, make predictions, and guide decision-making. Here's an overview of the program's modules designed to make you a data expert from day one. Introduction to Data Analytics, SQL for data analysis, Python for data analytics, data visualization with Tableau, Advanced Excel for data analytics, data analysis with Power BI, machine learning for data analysts. Capstone Project. Through the program, you'll get practical experience with industry-standard tools. Learn to create interactive dashboards, visualize trends, and interpret complex datasets that make a real impact. You'll build a portfolio showcasing your skills by working on real-world projects. Projects include analyzing datasets from industries like finance, retail, and healthcare to solve business problems. At the end of this course, you'll receive GoLogica Data Analyst Certification, your gateway to lucrative job opportunities in data analytics. Start as a data analyst, and you can move up to roles like data scientist, business analyst, or data engineer. With the demand for data professionals skyrocketing, a career in data analytics is not just promising, it's highly rewarding. Salaries for data analysts can start at $70,000 and go up based on experience. Ready to turn data into your career superpower? Enroll in the GoLogica Data Analyst Master's Program today.